Hey everyone! How's it going? My name's Henry. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Divine Dialogue before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so be sure to stick around until the end to make sure you don't lose your money. First off, be careful about where you purchase Divine Dialogue. Right now, it's only available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've linked the official website below in the video description and in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to share my experience and help you understand if Divine Dialogue is right for you. So, what is Divine Dialogue? Divine Dialogue is a 100% effective, straightforward program designed to bring real results in just a few days. This program guides you to a better life, a life that many dream about. It works through specific prayers that match your needs, teaching you why some prayers are answered and offering strategies that are incredibly effective. With Divine Dialogue, you can deepen your relationship with God, live a happier life, and feel a positive energy that illuminates any darkness in your life. This program can bring financial stability and overall improvement in your life. In short, Divine Dialogue delivers life-changing benefits and helps you reach your dreams quickly. It empowers you to achieve financial freedom and happiness. I'm confident it will work wonders for you. There's absolutely no risk in trying it out, and if you're not satisfied, you can request a refund. So, let's dive in and see if Divine Dialogue is the right fit for you.